Aloha, I'm Helen with Floating Yoga School. I am here on Ulua Beach in Wailea, Maui, one of my favorite beaches. And today's practice is going to be 20 minutes on trusting your intuition, getting out of your head into your body, and kind of trusting that gut sense or inner knowing. So we'll focus a lot on some core stuff, activating solar plexus or manipura chakra, as well as your third eye, your ajna, that intuition and that deep inner strength, confidence in yourself. Get in, get out, move quickly, and go on with your day. We're going to start standing today at the top of your space when you're ready. Take your feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart. Reach your arms up wide and out, like you're making a star shape. And just allow yourself to take up space. You might be like me in public. Feel confident in that you're doing what's best for you. Feel a sense of groundedness, connection to the earth, as well as that reach and strength out and up. We'll start to lengthen and deepen your breath. In and out through your nose. Turn on your audible ujjayi breath, like the sound of the waves behind me. And then cactus your arms, bend your elbows, open up through your chest. Inhale, reach high, hands overhead. Exhale, forward fold, hinge from your hips. Halfway lift, breathe in. Exhale, hands down, step your right foot back. Take a moment to find some length through your spine. Sink your hips a little, big breath in. As you exhale, right knee comes into your chest, big step up. Inhale, extend it back. We're going to move like that. Exhale it in, find that core. Inhale, send it back. One more. Sink your hips again, breathe in. Downward facing dog, hips to the sky. A moment here to just feel the strength. Again, find groundedness through your feet and your hands, connection to the earth. Shift forward, high plank, upper push-up. Hold as you exhale. Inhale here. Exhale, chaturanga. You can come halfway or all the way down. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, back to downward facing dog, hips to the sky. Take a full breath in through your nose. Open your mouth, exhale. Bend your knees, breathe in, look to your hands. Use your exhale to step or hop forward fold, top of your space. Halfway lift, inhale, lengthen. Fold, exhale, release. Back to standing, arms reach high. Take up space, look up. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Inhale to a chair pose, Utkatasana. Find some depth in your lower body, some strength through your core, and then some openness through your upper body. Maybe you can relax your shoulders, relax your face. Tune into that deep core strength, your core values, what's important to you. And feel confident in that you can trust those gut feelings, those gut sensations. One more breath in. Forward fold, exhale it out. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, left foot steps back. Set up for your supported low lunge. Take a breath in, find length, sink your hips. As you exhale, left foot's gonna step up to your right. Twice more, inhale, extend. Exhale, step it up. And again, breathe in and breathe it out. Extend. Plant your palms, downward facing dog, right foot meets your left. Inhale, shift forward, high plank, upper push-up. Exhale, your chaturanga. Up dog or cobra, big breath in. Back to downward facing dog, hips to the sky. Full inhale through your nose. Open your mouth, exhale, make some noise. Again, breathe in. Open your mouth, let it go. Take your feet out wide. Hands can always come a little closer to your feet. We're going to take some taps to opposite ankles. Right hand to your left, and then left hand to your right. Throwing off your balance a little bit on purpose. See where you can stay grounded, connected. Engage through your core. Strong through your sense of self. Physically, mentally, energetically. Just like when life throws those curveballs at us, you can come back to those things that are important to you, that are solid, those foundations you've created. One more each side. Keep your feet pretty wide, bend your knees a lot, look forward. We're gonna try some little squat hops in the air, like you're taking a handstand. You don't have to be anywhere close, or almost like a little frog or donkey hop. For me, it's super early, so I'm just playing. And then we'll meet in Malasana squat. Heels and toes out, hands to your heart. Open up through your chest. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, right hand out in front of your right leg, left arm to the sky, open it up. Find that space through your heart, open to possibilities, trusting. Back to center, inhale. Exhale, left hand in front of your left leg, right arm reaches high. Same thing, creating space and openness. Hands to your heart, big breath in. Exhale, forward fold, ragdoll. Keep your feet wide, hold opposite elbows, relax your head and neck, sway side to side. Release hands down, heel toe your feet in toward each other. And then roll to standing so your head is the last thing to arrive. Tailbone is heavy. Stack your spine. At the top, some shoulder shrugs, up, back, and down. And gently release. Palms together in front of your heart, and then bring your thumbs to your third eye space, right between your eyebrows, finding that connection. Allow yourself to trust you, to trust everything you've built, created, your foundations, and to move with trust as we challenge things a little and get into some balancing. Palms together in front of your heart or even to your sides or elsewhere. Weight into your left foot, right foot will come up. One-legged Tadasana, breathe in. Figure 4 as you breathe out like a chair, send your hips back and down. We're gonna flow. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, warrior 3, send your foot back. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. It's okay if you wobble. Exhale, cross your ankles, send your hips back and down. Trust the earth will catch you. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Trust and know your own strength and power. Exhale, warrior 3. It'd be helpful if I shared with you what I'm doing. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, figure 4. Let's stay here. Feel the stretch. Breathe into it. One more inhale. One more exhale. One-legged Tadasana again to your warrior 3 and then all the way to a standing split. So you might have to bend your bottom leg, take your top leg as high as you comfortably can without forcing it. So it might be more like a supported warrior 3. Breathe in here. Little curtsy squat as you breathe out. Strong core, really get into your legs. Inhale, lift. Exhale, curtsy squat. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe it out. Cross your right ankle behind your left. So you're in a crossed ankled fold. Let your head and your neck go. Knees can bend a lot here. Walk your hands left. Send your hips right. Pass through center. Take it to the other side. Hands right. Hips left. And then back to center. Weight comes a little bit forward into your left foot and into your hands. So you can lift your right leg, that back foot back up to the sky. We'll begin to peel open for a half moon. We haven't done any open hip shapes, so just be gentle. Trust as far as your body wants to go. Don't worry about what I'm saying, but more about what you are saying to yourself. And not those crazy words, that inner dialogue, but more that deep inner trust and knowing. One more big breath in. Exhale, release, forward folds, top of your space. Let it go, pedal it out, move it around. Halfway lifts, breathe in. Folds, breathe out. Rise up, reach up, arms float high. Palms together in front of your heart. And then again, bring your thumbs to your third eye, that space between your eyebrows. Connect in here. Our practice, our yoga is all about union. Literally what the word comes from, that root word of yug, to yoke, to unite. It's that connection, mind, body, and spirit, where we can really trust intuition, trust universe. Hands to your heart, weight into your right foot. We're going to take our flow on the other side. Left leg lifts, one-legged Tadasana, inhale. Exhale, figure four, send your hips back and down. You can move slower than me. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, warrior three, send your foot back, heart forward. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, figure four. Feel that core strength help your balance. Breathe in to lift your knee. Breathe out to send your foot back, your chest forward. Inhale, lift, one-legged Tadasana. Into your figure four as you exhale, hold there. Find some breath. Notice where your body needs space. Offer that. One of the beauties of this yoga practice is really knowing ourselves, and that really allows us to trust, to tune in, to listen to those maybe gut feelings or sensations that something just isn't right, or something is really right. Those full body yeses. Back to one-legged Tadasana. Pass through warrior three. We're going to take it to our standing splits. So begin to hinge it forward. Feel free to bend your bottom knee. Relax your head and neck. Breathe in. Little curtsy squat as you breathe out. Left knee to right calf. Twice more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, curtsy. Again, breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale, lift high. Exhale, cross your ankle. Find that cross ankle fold. Nod your head yes. And shake your head no. And then crawl your fingers over to your right. Let your hips lean a little bit left. Pass through center over to the other side. Back to center. Weight into your right foot, your top foot, and your fingertips so that you can lift your left leg and begin to peel open for that half moon. So part of that knowing, that self-study in our yoga practice is knowing when you'd like to modify, when your body would need a little bit more support. And then it's in your best interest to back off, to go further, to push yourself. One more inhale. Exhale, release, forward folds without overthinking it. Easier said than done. Halfway lift, breathe in. Folds, breathe out, tuck and curl into a little ball. Drop your bottom to your heels, lift your heels off the ground, forehead to your knees. Squeeze your inner thighs, bring your legs parallel to the ground. Stack your chest. Shoulders over hips, hands to your heart, and then thumbs to your third eye again. Maybe you visualize something that you're working toward, something coming up for you, and then feel it in your body. Notice how your gut reacts. Without planning all the details, that's my downfall, wanting to know the specifics. Just feel what that vision feels like in your body. And then we'll gently sit back into a boat pose, bum down. Lift your shins, float your arms, open through your chest. Breathe here. Feel the shakes. You can do hard things. Trust your own strength and use your breath. One more inhale. Exhale, release your feet. Hands behind you, take your feet wide, windshield wiper right and left. And then extend your legs out in front. Tall spine as you breathe in. Fold over your legs as you breathe out. Let everything go. And slowly lift yourself back up. Find yourself into a comfortable seat. If you'd prefer to be on your back, you're welcome to come onto your back. We'll take a final twist and then a little moment for a final rest. So twist to your right. If you're on your back, knees might fall to one side. If you're with me seated, just a gentle twist around your spine. Any leg variation is great. Back through center and to the other side. back through center, and whatever else you'd like before a little moment of final meditation, final rest. And again, this can be on your back, traditional Shavasana, in a seat like me, or in any other shape. You can soften your eyes or close your eyes. Allow your body to feel held and supported. And allow your mind to just do what it does without having to direct. Without having to change. Where can you notice? Trust the support below you, the support around you, the foundations you've built in your own inner strength. And allow for that deep inner knowing to guide you, to comfort you, and to keep you present right here, right now. As you're ready to reawaken, you can start with little wiggles, fingers, toes, wrists and ankles, maybe a full body stretch. If you're on your back, come to a seat. When you're at your seat, palms together in front of your heart and then thumbs toward your third eye space. Thank yourself for making the time to move, to breathe, to be in your practice. This self-study deepens that inner knowing, deepens that connection to self, an understanding of self. I thank you as always for joining me. We'll gently bow our heads together in silence. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for all your support. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, let me know your requests, and hopefully I will practice again with you very soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day.